This is how to convert Overleaf to Word. Go to Overleaf and from your project dashboard, you can select your project or you can create a new one. Let's create a new project. Then let's choose blank project. Let's name this as Word and click create. Then go to file, go to download and choose export as Word document. Then click save. Then you can open. And you have just converted Overleaf to Word. You can also go to Word, then export as Word document, or you can download as PDF and convert it to Word using an online converter. So this is how to convert Overleaf to Word.